Hey guys, DudeRock18 here with my girlfriend Ellie. Pokemon Real Fan 10. And look who's here!
It's me, guys! It's been me all along, guys! Look at the title.
That would be Kevin, Shadow Wolf 000.
Right,
Oh God.
it's the title.
Kevin's here! Yes!
Yes.
I am aware, guys,
The
that
apocalypse is now.
No!
The movie's coming soon.
Ah!
Get ready,
guys,
X-Men fans.
guy and girl, thank you.
Alright, don't blow a gasket. We
So-
need you alive. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so as I was saying, I know that it's been a couple months since he hasn't been in a video and since we've been hanging out. Work schedule and everything else, so...
Yeah, but it's summertime.
Hey, we have lives, people!
Yeah, but he will be coming, from time to time because we
Right.
still have stuff outside YouTube. But he hasn't left, so all of you don't have to get scared.
Right.
He's still here.
We both had each other on our channels on the right side of our channels.
Yes. So without
What, you
further
guys got
ado,
bro hug
It
now?
hasn't been changed.
well, we're going to begin.
Right.
With 5 matches, we're going to have
Right.
that with 3 stock lives and no items. So let's start things off
And
with
Omega
the
Stages
awesome
only.
YouTube.
Just the way I like it. Alright, you want to do
Shadow
Pokemon Battle? We'll do Pokemon Battle.
Pokemon!
I'm the Shiny Greninja.
Alright, let's hit
The
the X
best looking
button.
Greninja.
Oh, that's the X button?
Yeah.
Alright, so Kevin will choose
I want to choose random. I always pick random.
Temple! My favorite stage!
your favorite.
It's my favorite stage too when it's not
Oh
the
yeah,
original stage.
it's not the original, it's the plane, right? Yeah, so it's really awesome to have you over finally and to have
Yeah,
the
likewise.
match with you.
Likewise.
The old gaming rivals of the century, everyone. We go way back since Melee, then to Brawl, and then to now for Wii U. And we're also using our Nintendo GameCube controllers.
Right.
Yeah, so I asked Ellie about
It's hard
this.
to imagine anywhere else, anything else.
Oh, yeah. So I asked Ellie about this. Your thoughts about the DLC characters so far?
Great. I love 3 out of the 4 of them.
Yeah. Oh God! Oh. Phew.
Should have done the Hydro Pump.
Yeah.
there.
So do you have any predictions? DLC who might be next? If there is gonna be.
The 3 characters that I voted for them. Well, 4 characters that I voted for the most. I heard there were 4
really?
characters that are available. I heard 2.
Well, I know one of them has to be Wolf. I mean, it's
I doubt he's returning.
no that you voted
then
for.
who are the 4 you heard of?
I don't know. Whoever is voted the most.
Ouch.
We find out in October.
Around my
'Cause that's when it
birthday!
Yeah, that's right. Your birthday. Yep. Take that. Oh.
Thought I could substitute.
You know what? The only thing that I want to nitpick on the Shadow costume, it's not everywhere Shadow. Like, look at the tail. Like, it doesn't even cover that. I mean, it's just like a little just...
Isn't it supposed to be based off the Mewtwo that's in,
I don't know. I thought the whole body...
the freaking name of that. Pokemon XD Gala Darkness?
Oh.
Or is Mewtwo not in that game? And I'm thinking Lugia. So no, Lugia was in it.
Of course. Well, you should know your Pokemon because you've watched it, you know.
No, I meant the video game.
Oh, the video game. Oh, whoa.
Well, I tried for the spike there. Or
Almost.
Meteor
mind
Smash.
you, I never owned
whatever
the
people
game.
prefer to call it.
Oh.
I never owned the GameCube, so I never owned the game.
Oh. Oh, I thought I got you with that. Okay. Nice. Okay, I should have saw that one. But
Make
that
it
was
rain.
nice.
Make it rain.
Make it rain.
Make it rain, make it rain.
I make some water fountains and it looks pretty.
Really?
So beautiful.
Stop it. I'm a ninja.
Well, too bad. Die, ninja.
You missed.
I
I'm
know.
a goddamn ninja, so your point is invalid.
I'm a ninja. It's your birthday. I forgot where I got that from.
Damn.
Oh, I did substitute because I saw that.
You thought I wasn't
Oh,
gonna
right.
do that. I saw
I
that
know
you
I
were
did.
like, oh, you
Oh,
did?
you did something
Yeah, I
too.
just did it too early.
Yeah, I have to admit though, you're really good with your Greninja because I've been seeing you play as
Oh,
Greninja.
you got rid of 69.
Oh. No. Wait, what?
Damn, I don't know. Don't
What?
Okay. Good match though. Okay.
Like a boss.
So yeah, so
Well, yeah, he's a damn ninja.
so I guess we'll see who gets the best out of 3. Since it's 5
All right.
matches.
Your next
Next,
choice is boys.
gonna go America.
I'm a buff fox.
America.
The old Melee rivals that
Yeah,
started
sure.
all.
Or Falcon.
Oh.
Crap.
On that?
I pressed X.
Oh, well.
I guess you pressed X too.
Alright, do you want me to...
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's back out.
Alright.
Whoopsies, guys.
Minor setback, guys.
Whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
Toasty! Frosty!
Yeah. So...
Whoopsie. I know this is human.
Damn it. Alright. This time I'll let you hit X.
Alright, fine.
Okay.
You want me to hit X? I don't have a
And
controller.
then... There we go. Alright.
Alright. Sorry about that, people.
So that's better. Wasted just 1 minute, or maybe a little less than that.
Who cares?
But it's fine.
Alright. So it's America versus... What does the fox say?
No, versus Wolf.
Oh.
Fox and Wolf's clothing. Because that's the best I'll ever get.
He's cheating on Crystal! I knew it!
Oh my god!
How could this be? Yeah, this is what started all, everybody. This matchup right here.
That actually makes me wonder if they're even going to put
Whoa!
Crystal in the new game.
Depends on what the fans vote on.
Well,
It's all fans
No,
service
not
from here on
here
out.
in the new Star Fox game.
Oh, that. Oh, probably not, because they're going back.
This is going backwards?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hopefully James McCloud will make an appearance since if it's
I mean,
going back.
so far it looks like it.
Oh, cool. I guess we'll finally get what we...
No, I think
wow
James
about.
McCloud still died.
Hello? Oh, I used the cape. That's why. Ah!
So does this go all the way back to the first game, or they'll release 64?
Around 2 and 64.
Hmm.
That's what I heard from the forums.
Oh, I almost got you with the upper attack. Oh, never mind.
You mean like that?
Like that. Yeah, pretty much.
Ow.
You will not mess with America! Oh, hello. But yeah, with all the DLCs that have been added, it's gonna come to a point where it's gonna be probably a top 15, if anything.
I don't know about that.
Why? Oh yeah, with...
Maybe I'll just stick with 10,
Damn it!
but I definitely do play more than 10 characters.
Oh, you saw that, didn't you? But we'll see in time. I mean, if there's gonna be a top 15, I mean, hey, you know, anything could happen after that. I also like on the gamepad, it shows like the damage of the matchup.
Well, no one uses gamepad, so...
Well, no, there may be some, and if they do, then that's fine too. But we like to keep it with the GameCube controller.
I'm sorry, babe, but everybody who's anybody uses GameCube. Me, on the other hand, I never owned GameCube, so I don't like using GameCube controller.
Yeah, ow. Ah! Whoa!
What?
Oh shit!
Whoa!
Yeah,
What was
buddy!
that?
Wall
That
tech.
was wow!
Wall tech, baby.
Dude, that was like, I slammed it and then you went down?
Down and recovered up, and then what?
Oh damn it! I was about to finish it off with
Yeah.
air.
Damn it. I'm trying to...
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be pretty much dead almost. Uh-oh. See?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Taste my fist of fury!
Your Fist of Fury in the air?
Well, not in the air. Like that.
You missed.
And I know, babe. Thank you. Thank you very much for pointing that out.
You kicked him.
Yeah, I could see that, babe. We all
you got lasered.
see it.
You died. Oh.
Why are you... Really?
What?
I thought you were gonna root for me.
What
I'm getting...
happened
Ah,
for you? Wait,
whoa!
Yeah, alright.
You're kind of dying.
Thank you, babe. Okay, so that's 2 points.
Wow,
for
you
Dan.
cheated
on Crystal!
He did.
You cheater. Okay, next matchup. Let's see.
I'm gonna be his best friend now.
Who? Falco. Fine. Then I will be Fox also.
Alright, sure.
In this costume.
Hands off my prey.
We are the Men in Black.
Hands off my bread.
Hands off my piece of cake.
Hands off my something.
Ha! We took it all.
Am I hearing jazz theme in the background?
In an F-Zero game, yes.
Wow.
What the flip of Zero music is this then?
Shoot!
Oh, I know. It changed.
Oh, hello. Woo. But yeah, the new Star Fox Zero game, I tell you, I know we talked about it already, but it's going to be really amazing.
I love the logo they used for the...
Yeah, that was amazing.
The logo?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Zero. Yeah, because
The Zero one.
It's called Zero, so it's supposed to look like a zero.
No, I saw in the direct or whatever it was, why they had the logo looking like that and everything.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, I'm back with the old damn it thing. Ah, damn it. Howdy-ho. Potato. Flame on! And I... Oosh. That's gonna leave a mark. Oh, oh! Wait, what? Oh, hey, hey! Okay, BS right there, but alright, I guess I'll... whatever.
Oh, what? I blocked!
Okay, I'll stop.
No, not you. The mechanic didn't let me want to do 3-stock.
Okay, never do Fox Illusion on the edge again, but alright. I mean, he's good in this game. I mean, he's just, you know, I mean, I did manage to get you down at least to 1 stock on the other 2, and they were good matches so far.
Yep.
I'm not gonna do it again. That's it. No more. And watch me do it again.
If you didn't do it, you would have died.
But there's always this one, which always seems to miss.
Of course it missed. You were too high.
Oh, hello. How I wind up there?
Yeah. Fox
is that going to be his voice in the new Zero game? I forgot to say.
Yeah.
I almost said F-Zero. I almost said that. All right, so I got you down to 1.
So it was 3-1 before. Now it's 1-1. I don't like these odds.
Wait, what's
I got to make a comeback here.
Wait,
it's
110
time
damage?
I redeem myself. I need to redeem myself.
Oh.
Because no, it can't be true.
I can fly
if I wanted to. Like a bird in the sky.
I believe I can
Fly. Wow, another close one.
Another close? That was close?
Well,
sorry,
the damage was so
you're
high.
off your game, Fox.
Bye, Ariel.
You're off your game too, Ariel. Should have barked 5 minutes ago. Alright, let's see here. Alright, of course.
Roy's our boy.
I'm sorry, I know who
Yeah,
for this
it's cool though.
I'm sorry.
I'd probably act like
for.
that too. He's the coolest ever.
Go, Pit. Go. Go, Dark Pit.
I'm gonna try. Oh wow.
Yeah, I'm trying to use Roy a little bit, but...
He's like North and Ike at the same time.
Alright, so technically Kev's won 3 out of the 5 so far.
So he won in general.
Yeah, but we're gonna play for fun still.
Yeah.
Because everyone knows what our last match is gonna be probably. Because we always save the best for last.
Mark and Wario.
Thank you, babe!
What?
I was going to let them wave.
Oh,
They
please,
probably know. They
already
watch us
know.
both.
I was gonna say
Whatever.
Mark and Wolf, but
I'm gonna make a rain up in here with Roy. Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
I can't use my normal gates because
Why?
I can't because you don't have any projectiles.
Oh yeah. Die.
Bye bye.
I'm just skipping hopping around.
Get over here. Hello, block. Thank you.
You can't block against Dark Pit.
Ouch.
If I can do that.
How dare you?
I thought you liked Roy.
I like Dark Pit.
Oh.
You're forgetting I love...
I too also like the pit that is dark. Because no one can see me lurk in the pit of darkness.
For the love of God, he saved Pit's life.
I know,
Pit
that's
also
creepy.
saved Dark Pit's life too, so they both saved each other's lives.
Yeah, but Pit almost died.
True. Dark Pit killed Pandora. Pandora herself.
Yeah, and now he can't fly.
Yeah, true. But he did fly before by his own.
No, he only flew by himself because he had Pandora's powers.
Oh!
Right.
Other than that, now he can't fly because he
But
doesn't have
Pit can
Pandora's
never fly
powers.
to begin with.
Yeah. But neither could Pit, or Dark Pit. He only could fly because of Pandora. And she cheated to come back to life. Ah!
Damn it!
Oh, I forgot that it doesn't have as good armor as it used to.
Ooh!
Oh, really? I almost got him. Ah.
Oh!
I was about...
Oh, you just waited for me just to do that.
Why can't I hit him? That was a long-range attack, too.
Whoa!
Aw. Oh!
Don't worry. Dark Pit has amazing recovery. I'm not worried. I'm worried about his aiming with that up B, though.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Because I can miss with it.
Oh.
Ah.
Come on, I want to hear that theme.
Oh!
Damn.
Oh, he saw it, babe. Go, Dark Pit. Go, Dark Pit.
I can't promise.
I know.
You're talking about me fighting against a character that can kill like 40%.
Because he's like freaking Ike!
No, he's Roy.
I know he's Roy, but he's like Ike!
Oh,
Without
damn.
Oh my god, I was supposed to do forward smash there.
Oh crap! I'm sorry, babe, I love you. But I love Dark Pit. Ooh.
No! Oh,
No! Oh, damn it.
no! Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Get back!
Back, you lion! Oh!
Yeah, no!
Oh shoot, this is close.
Just in case.
He's gonna do
Oh,
it!
come on!
Oh,
Wow,
nice one.
No invincibility when I grab when I get off. Sure. Whatever.
Hey, I won just one!
Nice one, babe.
But that wasn't the plan.
Oh, wow, that was really something. Oh, wow, we're at 18.
And then
We
you
better
don't
finish
like
the last one.
then you don't like Roy.
Alright.
You like using Mars.
Here we go.
Alright.
It's our first main.
Hello, pretty boy.
Fondy.
Alright, Final D.
Hi,
Actually, we'll get to
Chris.
the other one. Hello. You got a transformer thingy.
Oh, nice. Yeah, he went to Toysy Russ.
Damn it, I wanted to hear that Mariachi theme.
Well, you can. Well, there you go.
Oh wait, that wasn't even the thing.
Yeah, I was about to say, isn't that something else?
Yeah, it is.
So this is the new rival.
Either way, it's like Mariachi music.
Yeah, so this is the official rival. Melee was Mario versus Fox. Brawl was first Fox versus Wolf that turned to Marth versus Wolf. Now it's going to be Marth versus Wario for now. Unless...
And Wolf.
No, unless I change first best. But we'll see what happens.
I doubt you'll change your first best. You pretty much owns Marth.
Yeah, but I play as Lucina a lot and she's good.
Oh, she owns!
Yeah, pretty much. I would say. Alright. gonna come in, Chris? To the joint? Oh, alright. Well, this is our
Pause.
last... Oh.
Whatever that belongs.
Well, this is our last match, so...
Yeah, I had to do it.
Oh, how appropriate.
Yep.
Booty, 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 booty.
On
rocket
pause.
everywhere. Yes!
Wiggity scooty, I'm coming for that booty.
Okay! What, Chris?
Boys.
Anything else?
Wait, are you stepping on Mark?
Okay.
No.
Ready? Go.
No, that's it.
Jesus Christ. Leave it to Chris to always one thing after the other. Alright. But yeah, but seriously, after this match, we really gotta end it because it gets to that 29.
I know, I have the same problem.
Well, you have someone that helps you make more minutes on the video.
I have someone edit it for me.
Well, that's cool.
If it comes down to it.
Oh, damn it! Yeah, but yeah, that fall was my fault. So get over here, Wario! If Mario can own you in 6 golden coins, so can I!
Well, I own Mario and everything else. Oh.
In what?
Everything.
Oh.
Every game that they've both been in.
Name one.
Let's see, the golf games, the tennis games.
Those are sports!
Any Mario game, Mario Party game.
Whoa, hey, whoa!
Yeah! You can't edge hog.
It's
You get
come
jumped
down
off.
to this, Kevin.
Yeah, remember? Well, remember Michael?
I was gonna say that.
Well, I took it.
Well,
Wahahaha.
you're gonna die.
Ooh, I didn't even think that connected, but okay. Huh. Uh-oh. Oh. Ugh. Did it again. Ouch! Alright, good one.
That's redemption for Dark Pit.
Wow, these were really...
The coolest Kid Icarus character in the world.
These are really great matches, I will say that much. Alright, so 4 wins for you and at least 1 win for me.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Let him select Dark Pit, and you select one random character and suicide yourself 3 times.
No, come on, no.
Please?
No, come
Don't
on.
worry,
I don't wanna
I'll do a video
Please?
like I'm gonna do a video like this later, and I'll do it then.
Yeah.
Please?
I'll win
No.
this time with him.
No. Alright. Alright,
All
guys,
right.
so that'll be all. So
Don't worry, I'll get him in my video.
yeah.
Alright, so
Alright,
yep.
so that'll be all. So I'm Durak18. She's my girlfriend Ellie. Pokemon River Fan 10. And the awesome Kevin Shadow
Yes.
000. The 4 points.
Good to be back.
Yeah. Yeah, so 5 matches, 3 stocks, no items. Take care, rock on. I'll see you guys in another video.
Bye bye.
Bye.